Joyce Yabut Bertolome here, and let me welcome you to my Travel Joys in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So yun guys, so for today, ang isa sa mga favorite yung vlog syempre is to see kung saan tayo nag-book na hotel. So let's do a room tour today. We're checked in at Sleeping Lion at Bukit Bintang. So tara. You know what's interesting guys? Alam mo yun, yung hindi agad pintuan, parang may space pa, may door pa, then may space to get inside sa dalawang room. May tabi-tabing room. So, ayan. First time namin papasukin tong room. So, sabay-sabay tayong i-check ang ating kwarto. Let's go! Ooh. So, welcome guys to our room. So, when you enter, it's a very, what you see is what you get in a room, guys. So, wala nang dividers at all. So, when you come in, you have here, there, big TV. So, ayan, nag-open pa lang siya. And then, meron ka ditong small na vanity. So, ayan, na pwede mo rin makeup room. So, there, ito, pwede ka dito mag-laptop, pwede ka dito mag-makeup. Tapos, meron din dito na micro na mirror. Tapos, you have rin dito mirror. Ayan, tapos may pa-tissue sila. Open natin. Meron tayong kasama dito na hair dryer, kahit nagdala tayo ng Dyson natin. Ayan, ito wala namang laman. So, there. Here you have also a lounge. Ayan, guys. Ito, okay naman siya, di ba? Very comfy. At ang gusto ko sa interior niya, guys, very modern. So, yan. Here naman, on this side, is we have a big window, which I love. Ayan. Ito guys, and look, tingnan nyo, may view tayo ng KL Tower here. Yan. Ganda, no? And then on this side naman, you have then a sneak peek of the Petronas Twin Tower. See that? I love. So, ayan guys, our place is actually just across the mall. Fahrenheit is just there. Marriott is just across, and you have also Bukit Bintang Pavilion doon sa kabilang side. So, ayan. Let's go naman guys to our bed. So, ayan, we have here a king-size bed. Kasi ang binook natin na hotel room is the King Superior Room. So, yan. Here naman guys, ang design nila is that you have here an open closet. Ayan. Very aesthetic. Moss green, tama? Moss green, grayish, white ang kanilang aesthetic. And then you have here mga bedroom slippers. Tapos here you have your safe. Ayan. Tapos you have here also a complimentary bottled water. You have here your iron, meron tayong kettle, meron silang pa-tea, pa-coffee, pa-mugs. And of course, you have syempre din ang ref na walang laman. Na-miss natin ang hotel ng Hong Kong sa mga panahong ito, guys. So, yan. Basically, that's our room. Let's go naman to our bathroom. Tara! So, ayan, I love naman ang design ng kanilang bathroom, guys, no? Hindi siya yung typical white. Black ang kanyang mga accent. So, you have here a rain shower na shower area. Ayan, and then, ang pinaka-perfect dito is you have your toilet na merong bidet. Perfecto. Ayan guys, I love it. Super linis. And then you have here din mga complimentary na things. You have here, sige, hello tayo sa ating cameraman. Ayan, maganda ang kanilang there, di ba? Ang ganda ng kanilang vanity here. And then you also have here yung mga sanitary bags. You have here mga dental set and all. Ayan, tingnan natin ang pressure ng tubig. Malakas ang tubig. Perfecto. So there guys, I booked this hotel through Klook. So yan guys, we got the King Superior room and ang rate nito per night is only 3,900. We'll be staying here for 3 nights guys. Technically, tingnan natin kung mag-e-extend tayo kasi may isang buong araw kami na magsistay on the 24th kasi 25th pa ng 2 AM ang aming flight. So ayan, basically everything you need is here. You have comfy naman na bed. Ayan, medyo on the hard side siya pero comfy I think. Tingnan natin ang mga pillows. Ayan, lumulubog ang pillows unlike sa may Hong Kong. Di ba yung sa Hong Kong medyo masakit siya sa leeg? Ito I think Ayan, sumusunod siya sa ulo. Ayan, kasi ngayon guys, yun na yung tinitingnan namin sa hotel rooms. Bakit? Nung nasa hotel kami kasi sa may Hong Kong, sa Prudential, maganda doon. Pero yung pillow niya, hindi sumusunod sa ulo. So, nag-throw pillows ako sa head. So, ayan, you have here their lamps. Ayan, may lamps naman dito. And also, I think, perfect na to. For me, I'll give it a 4.5. Yun, 4.5 out of 5. Tapos, I'll be showing you other amenities as well. Sa baba, guys, meron silang cafe. Mabilis din ang kanilang reception for check-in. Actually, 4.7 na natin siya out of 5. Bakit? Kasi ang check-in time talaga is at 3, pero 2 pa lang nakapasok na kami. I'll be showing you also infinity pool. So, yung ganda ng view natin, ang KL Tower ay makikita natin sa infinity pool. Ayun, let's check also the other amenities. I'll show you around facade ng hotel, the restaurants around, ilang minutes ang walk to transportation, and sa kanilang mall. So, ayan, basically 3.9 per night. I think it's a good deal na. You got a good location, you have a good hotel room here, everything you need is here. Ayun, mabango, malinis. Ayun, hope you liked the vlog for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media accounts at Yabot Joyce Ann on Instagram and JY on TikTok. Don't forget to give us some love, the Bartolomes. Guys, follow us on IG, FB, and TikTok. Yon, I'll be showing you ibang araw naman when we go to the gym. Mag-gym kami ni Jello para makakain kami ng marami. And then, gagamit din kami ng pool. So, yun lang. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Nagagawa pa ako, guys. Yan, hands on na. Guys, ang pinakagusto namin dyan, tignan nyo, very high-tech, no? Diyan na yung mga switch ng lights, yung mga do not disturb, makeup room, andyan na yung temperature, ayan, ang ganda rin ng kanilang mga pa-light, ano nga, cove lights, ayan, yeah. Diba? Yung mood, ganda, tapos very sleek, ganda, no? Sa bahay, ganda nito. Switches, very, very modern. So, ayan, here are the Bartolomes. Hey! Let's go. Guys, ito ang pool area. Infinity pool siya, 37th floor. Ang ganda, oh. Ayan ang KL Tower. Kita dito. Amaze, boss! Here guys, may gym and sauna. Galing, oh. I love it. Tapos guys, tignan nyo. Yan ang view. Yan. Tapos ang view mo, Twin Tower. Ang ganda. May sauna rin sila dito. Yan. Ito Pwede ko yata dito mag-shower. Ayan, shower siya. May sauna. Here guys, yung facade ng hotel. So, ayan si Jel at si Ira. So, ito guys, ito yung itsura ng outside. Yan may mga ginagawa lang. May ginagawa lang. Pero, ayan na yung mall. Andiyan na yung Fahrenheit. Tapos, nandito na sa kabilang side yung pavilion. So, very accessible, very good. Hanap muna kami ng kakainan.